Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Tumblr account. So in order to create an account, all you need to do is click on the app. You can download it on the Google Play Store or App Store. Then what you're going to do on this page is you can either sign up with Google, Apple or email. I'm going to sign up with email because for me it's the easiest. Now you're just going to type in your email, which of course really obvious. Make sure to type in the email correctly and make sure that you have access to the email you're typing into, because you need to verify it with a code you're getting in your email box, so make sure you have access to it. Then click on next, and now what we're going to do is we're going to click on I agree. And we now need to type in what our birthday is. We can actually use the scroll wheel right here. Make sure to do it that you're at least 18, because otherwise some features will be restricted. So make sure you just do it like this, and make sure that this is also checked. Then click on next. And now you need to, of course, type in your username. So your username can be whatever you want. I'm just going for this one because I'm using this account just as this tutorial. Now clicking on test. We can see that mine is already used, so I need to use a different one. So this one should probably not be used like this. Now what we're going to do is pretty obvious. We're going to create a password. Make sure that you create a password that you can remember and that you write somewhere, so when you forgot your password you can still have it. Now click on next, just like this. And now you need to type in your interest, explore my interest, create and share my work, connect with others like me, and about to find. So what you can do is, for example, you need to say why you are interested or why you want to download Tumblr. And for example, you can say explore my interest and about to find out, because you don't know what you're going to do on Tumblr yet. Then click on next. And now you need to add some topics to your account. Basically the same you're doing on Twitter. But now on Tumblr. So for example, 5 topics. I just can simply type in topics. For example, I want to add YouTube. I simply type in YouTube, and we can see I can now add this topic by clicking on the plus sign. Then clicking on the plus, and you need to add 5 more. Just make sure that you add some good ones, and then clicking on next. Now you need to find some people. So you're just simply going to follow 3 people you may want to be interested in. If you're not interested in them, you can also always unfollow them again. So don't worry about that. Now you can click on next once you follow 3 people, and you can either want to enable notifications. However, you can also just simply click on maybe later. Now you need to make sure that you're on iOS 14 plus, otherwise it will not work. And then clicking on continue, ask add not to track, or if you want to, you can of course. And now you're in the Tumblr app, and here you can just basically search, follow people, watch blogs and all those kind of things. So that's how you can create a Tumblr account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.